Detroit Urban Survival Training. Today you're going to join us on an actual day at Detroit Urban Survival Training. So this is what people have been talking about, like, what do you wear the earpiece for? Why are you dressed like that? Why do you have ID on? It's because we use our training in real life. So you're going to come with us today and see what it's like. This is our training center, and some of you see different angles, but this area is the main training area. And out here is the main entrance. This is also where you start your training. See over here we have the screens here. This is where a lot of academics and videos are studied here. People are sitting here, and this is how students come in and start their training by learning through video what to do and what not to do by seeing things that other people are doing, and we teach how not to do things that are inappropriate. So this is our main area here. You can see that we have all things related to safety. Everything from satellite phones for sale to all different types of equipment, everything that can save your life, everything that prevents violence and helps you create safety for you and your family can be found here. Here you see our slogan: smarter, stronger equals safer. And that is because you learn to become your own bodyguard by being smarter and getting stronger, and as a result, you're always safer. This is the Burna. This is a non-lethal platform. This is what we carry. And you're gonna see us out in the field today. Join us now. Let's go see what it's like out in Detroit, protecting families 24/7. This is what we've done for the past 28 years. And this is why our training is totally different. We use it in real life. So you're gonna see that today. All right, so we could take the Hummer, or we could take the armored vehicle. Instead, we're just gonna take the Ford. Here we go. Going out and patrol to check the families, we call it scanning. And scanning is deterring, detecting, and defending against violent criminals. And you are gonna be with us. We're now entering Palmer Woods. This is the premier community here in Detroit, and we provide protective services for the community. We call it preventive threat management. And what we do is make sure the families stay alive and safe 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And this is a community we've been in for 12 years. And since we've started, not one person has been raped, robbed, murdered, or abducted. There's been no extreme violent crimes against any of the citizens. And prior to us coming here, that was a problem.